In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an extended hours trade on Robinhood using their website. Extended hours trading allows you to buy or sell stocks before or after the regular market hours, giving you more flexibility to react to news and events that happen outside of the typical trading day. Let's walk through how you can do this step by step, ensuring your trade gets placed correctly. First, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account on their official website using your usual credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network when you log in, just to keep your account safe. Once you're logged in, navigate to the stock that you want to trade. You can use the search bar at the top of the page. Just type in the company's name or its stock ticker symbol to find it quickly. When you're on the stock's main page, look for the Trade button. This is typically located near the top right-hand corner. Click on it and then choose whether you want to buy or sell the stock, depending on your particular strategy or needs that day. Now you'll be taken to the order screen. This is where you'll enter the specifics for your trade. Directly below the price entry box, look for a section labeled Order Types or sometimes Time in Force. These options control how and when your order is executed. Here's where you'll enable extended hours trading. Click into that section and select Extended Hours. Depending on the time of day, your choices might be labeled pre-market or aftermarket. Pre-market trading occurs before the regular session, while aftermarket trading happens once the main session is over. Make sure you're choosing the right time frame for when you want your order to go through. It's important to note that extended hours trading on Robinhood only supports limit orders, not market orders. This means you'll need to set the exact price at which you're willing to buy or sell the stock. Enter your limit price in the price box. This helps protect you from potential price swings that can happen when trading outside regular hours. Once you've set all the details, review your order carefully. Double check that you've selected extended hours, set the correct limit price, and chosen the right number of shares. When you're satisfied that everything looks accurate, go ahead and click the Submit button to place your order. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully placed an extended hours trade on Robinhood's website. Remember, trading during these times can involve less liquidity and more volatility, so always make informed decisions. Thanks for watching and happy trading.